Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a Snapchat AI something went wrong. So guys, if you want to open anything on Snapchat or want to use your AI tool on Snapchat and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after doing this, you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys, after this, click on reset forget. And guys, after forget this network, guys, you need to reconnect it again with your phone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to go back, find here apps management. So guys, simply you need to click on app management, and guys, after doing this, you need to click on app list, and guys, here you need to find Snapchat simply. So guys, Snapchat, click on Snapchat, and guys, after this, you need to click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. So guys, I have already cleared this tab, therefore I have not showing the option of clear cache is grayed out. So guys, you need to click on clear cache. And guys, the third method is you need to update your Snapchat. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store in your phone, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat. And guys, after searching, you need to click on Snapchat, and guys, here is the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update from here. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and having this issue, something went wrong again and again, then guys, you need to open your settings again. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, click on system, and guys, after this, click on reset phone. And guys, after this, click on reset Wi-Fi settings. And first of all, you need to select same one and click on reset, and after this, select same two and click on reset. And guys, after resetting network setting, then your problem will be fixed. So guys, if after doing all the settings, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to uninstall your Snapchat. And guys, after uninstalling, you need to reinstall again from your Play Store and log in again your account. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.